Why it's never too late to be what you always wanted to be. You might be expecting me to jump into some tips on protecting your skin now, but let me tell you this. That is entirely superficial. It's important, sure, and indicative of greater overall health. And you can rest assured that we're going to cover it later in this training. But more important is how you feel and what you accomplish. Because the way you feel about yourself and about life is going to have a huge impact on how you end up looking, how you come across, and what you can accomplish. If you feel younger, you will look younger. And if you're excited and enthusiastic for life, then that's going to make all the difference. Many of us will start to age physically the moment that we let go of our dreams and resolve to simply get by day to day. It's when you have a goal and a reason to live that the passion within shines through, and you stay youthful and magnetic. So, you must never let go of your goals. And after all, there is no reason to. How our goals and expectations change as we age. Many of us wanted to be amazing things when we were younger. Some of us wanted to be astronauts, and some of us wanted to be rock stars. Maybe you dreamed of owning your own business. Then you reached your 20s and realized that achieving those dreams was harder than you thought, and that you needed money faster. So you started working a regular job in the meantime. Then you reach 30 and have a spouse and kids. Then you reach 40 and realize you're old and tired. And in short, you realize that you're never going to be that thing you always wanted to be. Dreams are for younger people, right? The practical, tactical advantages of getting older. This is certainly the stance taken by many people, but in reality, the opposite should be true. As long as you hold on to those dreams, they actually often become more attainable the older you get. Why? For starters, being older gives you more experience and means you're going to have a better idea of how to go after what you want. Then there's the fact that you'll have had longer to accumulate useful assets. That includes money. You'll have more funds to put behind you, but also other intangible and tangible assets such as property, contacts, a better CV, etc. And if you're retired, or if your children have moved away from home, then you'll have more time as well. And if you combine all that with a savvy knowledge of how to leverage your age, there's no reason that you can't get things done even when you're older. Examples of ways you can still achieve amazing things. Many people want to be actors, for example, but never get around to it when they're younger. When you're older, however, you have the option of applying to appear as an extra in films and to play small parts. You have the time now to audition, and the older you are, the more in demand you'll find you become for smaller roles. Build up a CV, and who knows? Or you can start a YouTube channel. Silver surfers make up a massive proportion of the web, and there isn't as much content there for them. For example, you could make a fitness YouTube channel for over 50s, and would likely be a huge hit. You'll likewise have more time to write books, and more time to pursue hobbies. And if you can't become an astronaut, admittedly unlikely, then how about signing up for a Virgin Galactic flight? If you can't be a football player, you could certainly maybe be a coach, or join an older team. And this post isn't just for people in their 80s. It applies to those in their 40s too. Did you know that the average age for successful startup founders is 40? Did you know that you're twice as likely to start a successful business at the age of 55 as you are at 20 to 34? Never give up. Now, of course, looking healthy, avoiding chronic pain, and keeping your brain youthful and quick will all further help you to make the most of your opportunities at any age. Your mindset and success will help you to look younger, and looking younger will help your mindset and success. So in the next video, we'll take a look at some of the ways you can stay looking younger.